Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today on Wednesday, February the 5th, 2020, we have 3 Sudokus, a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix, but we will start with the binary Sudoku. So let's get started. I see here a double one, here an O, there an O, here and double one, here an O, there an O, a double one, here an O, there an O, a double one, here an O, there an O. Then I see a double O, here and one, there and one. I see here a double one, here and O, there and O. I see here double one, here and O, there and O. I see here between two O's, between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. So we have now a double O, here one, there one. We have a double O, here one, there one. We have here double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. A double O, here one, there one. A double one, here an O, there an O. A double O, here one, there one. A double one, here an O, there an O. A double O, here one, there one. A double one, here an O, there an O. A double O, here one, there one. A double one, here an O, there an O. A double O, here one, there one. A double one, here an O, there an O. A double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. A double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in one. A double one, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. 5 ones in a row. 5 ones in a row, or 5 O's in a row. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here an O, there an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place the 5th 1 here, then we have 3 O's here. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Then blah, blah, blah. Yes, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, this is number 5. Then yes, here in this column 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then the rest are 1s, and this is not allowed because then we have 3 1s in a row. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Double 1 here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. If I place the 1 here or there, then the rest are O's. But then we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be in 1 and this cannot be in 1. This should be an O, a double O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, and the rest are O. So we finish this in 7 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. But rather, you can download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the Sudoku Medium. Thank you, bye bye.